What's good, guys? This is the first video I'll be making this week, and this is supposed to be my first trade, but I could not pick this trade because the spread is too much, just too much. Let me show you guys. I don't think I've not opened my what is it called? I've not opened my MT5 this week, but let me show you guys the spread on this account. The spread is a lot, so I want to see where is it. Okay, I think it's on this screen. I think it's on this screen. I'm waiting for the screen to load, so I'll show you guys. Cause okay, yes, this is it. Let me show you guys. So it's Euro NZD. Where's Euro NZD there? Okay, it's not on this. Euro NZD. Yes, this is it. Okay, so to be down, you can see it has even reduced. The spread has reduced. This is 190. Can you see 209? It was at 500 and something as at when I checked it the last time. 500 and something. Now it's currently at 209. So the spread will be too much for me to when I enter. So that's why I did not enter this trade, and this is where it is currently at. So it is what it is. So I'll update you guys. I've not taken any trades so far this week, although I missed a trade on GU. Was it GU or EU? I've deleted it already, but I missed a trade. It didn't come to my entry. The trade was supposed to be around here, but it didn't come to my entry. Somewhere here, yes, but it didn't come to my entry, and so I didn't take anything. So I'll update you guys on any trade I take so far. See, it's still at 200. Just too much. Look at GBP USD spread 128. because market just another new candle just opened, and a new day just opened, and everything is moving wild. Well, let's see how it goes, guys. I'll beat you. Let's go. So what's good, guys? You can see the spread now. Yeah, this is it. The last time I made a video, I think it was 200 and something. Actually, I saw this thing at 500, but now you can see that it's stable now. So that is one of the things I will check before entering my trades, especially when market opens newly. So for a new day, if you get what I mean. So it is what it is. So I've not gotten any trade so far today. Let me show you guys. I've not gotten any trade so far today. I'm looking at this AUD USD for a buy, but I want to take the buy somewhere around here. I don't want to take the buy here. I want to take it somewhere around here. So that's what I'm waiting for on AUD USD so far. And Euro USD has gotten to a POI that I like. Let me show you guys. Yeah, it has gotten to a POI that I like, but I need confirmations on the 4 hour for me to take a trade. So let's see how it goes, guys. I would let you know. Let's go. So what's good, guys? I'm currently on this trade on Euro USD. I'm currently on this trade. I'm taking a buy on Euro USD. Yeah, and let me show you where we're currently at now. So let me go to my trade. Yeah, so this is where we are currently. You see, what is going to chart? 15 minutes. Hold on, guys. Let me fix this thing. I'll show you guys. Well, this is where we're currently at now. I'll update you guys. So what's good, guys? This trade on Euro USD has just been whining me. I think it has gone about 1.5 hours. It came back close to entry, and now this is where we currently are. And the market is closing in the next 1 minute. In the next 1 minute, the market is closing. So this is where we currently are. currently at $52 right now. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'll update you guys on the trade. So it's a new market open, guys. Can you see this thing now? Is happening live in front of you. Can you imagine? Because the market just opened. Look at the spread. $12. I was making 50 something dollar before. Look at, but I know that the market is going to reset back. So I'll update you guys on how it's going to be. Let's go.
So what's good, guys? The trade I took on Euro USD, I decided to close the trade. I decided to close the trade because on a norms when a candle wants to open, it creates open high low close. So as soon as today candle opened, I was expecting it to come down a little bit before going up, but look at what it did. It opened, it went up, then came down. So it's not a trade I'm interested in anymore. So I had to cut the trade. And yesterday the swap fee for yesterday's trade, yesterday going into today, was $15. So that was a lot of swap fee because I decided to hold it overnight. So that's a lot of swap fee. But as you guys can see, this is where I closed the trade. I closed the trade here, around somewhere around here. So I didn't really make much. I think I made like $8. Yeah, this is it. I think made this $24 minus $15 swap fee. So I made like $8 on this trade. So, but it is what it is, anyways. It is what it is. So I'll update you guys if I get another trade today, which I don't think I would. But if I get another trade today, I'll let you guys know. Let's go. All right, guys. So this is the trade I said I took yesterday, and price. What did price do? Price did not. I think I deleted the what is it called? I deleted the position tool. Let me change my network. I deleted the position tool already. Is my network here? Yes. So I deleted the position tool already, but the entry was somewhere here and price came down and broke it. So what I felt I missed yesterday was I would have taken an entry somewhere here yesterday. But the thing is, to be honest, I didn't know that price was bearish for the week. I thought price was bullish. So over time, I'm seeing that there are so many things I need to be putting in place, because this is a new strategy if compared to the one I used to do before. Although I'm combining both together in a way, but this is a new strategy I just learned. If you are new to this channel, go back and watch my videos and you would see that I said I was learning a new strategy from TechRace. So we are done with everything. I think I will talk about that. I'll talk about the experience in another video. Today is Friday, so I don't know when I'll post it, but I'll talk about the experience in another video, and the things I learned, and the structure that was put in place to make that mentorship a very good one. I think that is one of the best mentorship I've attended in a very very long time. So I'll talk about it in the next in a video, and I would tell you people in case you want to join for this coming year, which I think I'm going to join too. And I'm not joining because of I want to learn something new, or anything. I'm joining because I like the structure that has been put in place. Do you understand? So moving on. So when price took this high, yeah, I was expecting it. This place is supposed to sell. Do you understand? But it did not come to my mind because I was expecting bearishness, and price was and I was expecting bullishness and price was bearish, so I was unable to take entry. But if I had if I had a bearish buyers, my entry would be somewhere here. My entry would be somewhere here, and I know this is where I'm going to be taking my profit because I don't know that price would dump this hard. Yeah, to be honest, I didn't know price would dump this hard, but it is what it is. So today is Friday, and what am I looking for this for today? Price has already dumped very hard today, so I don't feel price would this candle will reverse. That's one thing you people should know. On a day like this, price will do open high low close. This one is something I learned by myself. It's not from any well, over time you people understand, but price will create open high low close. Yeah, so price has opened, that's created the high. Yeah, and this candle is too big for price to reverse. This candle, today is Friday, this is Friday's candle, it is too big for price to reverse and turn bullishness. So why would you be looking for a bullish bias on this candle? It does not sit well with me. Do you understand? It does not sit well with me. This one now probably is news. This is on a Friday too, but I think price open. It was bullish, then it reversed. One of those few cases. This one too, price was bearish at the point on a Monday and it reversed. One of few cases. Do you understand? But when price is bullish like this, very bearish like this, I'm not expecting price to just flip back and become bullish. But today is Friday, and on the weekly candle, there's something called open high low close. So open high low, so probably the close will be around here. If the close will be around here, then this candle might reverse. But let's see, I don't know, but I'm just telling you guys that when you see a very strong bearish candle, this is London session 340, a very strong bearish candle is very unlikely for price to reverse. So if I want to take a buy on this candle, I'll be looking for price to take this low first, probably in the next candle. This one I'm using one hand. I need to look for a stand for this mic, or I'll use my other mic because I can't be holding this mic. I won't be able to function very very fast, if you get what I mean. So I would wait for price to take this low, then if there's a chance, take this low. Take this low, then if there's a chance we buy, or price takes this high, then if there's a chance we still sell. So that's something I'll be looking at later today. So I think that's all for this week. So I just want to quickly journal my trades, and because I was so tired yesterday after I went to play football, I came back, I was so tired I could not even do anything. So I would journal my trades for yesterday, and that will be all. So if I get a trade today, I would update you guys, but if I don't get a trade, that will be all for the week, and I'll show you guys my P&L for the week. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's go, famo. So what's good, guys? So as I was saying, I think I said something earlier that I want this 4-hour candle, that one price to either take this low, create a CIZ, then I'll buy from there. Or but look at what it did. It took the high and the low. It took the high and the low. So as it is now, I'm not sure I would want to enter this trade. So I'll wait for the next 4-hour candle. Let me see what the next 4-hour candle wants to do. If the next 4-hour candle creates something much more better, then it's fine. But if the 4-hour candle does not create something much more better, I'm not sure I'm going to be entering this trade. So that's how it is. GU, let me see GU. Okay, now GU is even much more clear, but GU is showing bullishness. Do you get? GU is showing bullishness. So I would see what we would do there. Let me check the 15 minutes. Okay. Probably with GU. I don't know. Probably let me see. I would have loved to take the GU trade from here and not here. This place is too much. But if GU comes to this area, I will see if I can get an entry there and buy from there. I'll see if I can get an entry there and buy from there. But if GU does not come to this area, then hold on, guys. So as I was saying, I had to reduce the volume of that of the um movie or the sound system. I don't know whichever one. So as I was saying, so I want price to come to this area for GU and I'll buy for thank God it's Friday. Where will be my target? I don't like the way this candle printed, but let me just go for this eye on the daily time frame. Okay, let me go for this eye. This is okay, this is the 4 hour, this is the daily. So the eye of this daily, I'm not expecting price to flip. I've said it before. I'm not expecting price to flip like that, just flip. But if it does, it's fine. But I'll see if I can get an entry from here and we'll buy from that area. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'll update you. This is Euro USD. Euro USD is maybe buying from this area, which I don't know. I don't, and I'm not sure there's news at all this week. Let me see. There's news today, not this week. Okay, there's no news today, so let's see how it goes. I'll update you guys. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll update you guys. Let's go. So what's good, guys? Price has dropped to this area here, but I'm not willing to take that buy yet. I want this 4 hour candle to close. So when it closes, then I would know if I should take a buy there or not. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm looking at my other screen. Okay. Looks somehow blur, but hopefully you guys can see the way I'm seeing it over here. So um I want price to close this 4 hour candle. I want it to close before I would know if I want to buy or not. So that's what I'm currently waiting for. Because like I said, I'm not expecting price to what is it called? I'm not expecting price to reverse. But at the same time, today is Friday. Yeah, when a weekly candle opens, I think this is a weekly candle. When it opens, open low. This is open high. Yeah, low close. So I don't know where the close wants to happen. Do you get? I don't know where the close wants to happen. So that is why I am waiting for the 4 hour candle to open. And the fact that price has taken this 4 hour candle low and high, yeah, makes me I don't want to see. Look at EU now. EU is going for the low. This is EU reversing, and price did not give an entry here. Price did not give an entry. So if they take this low and gives an entry, if they take this low and gives an entry, then I would most likely buy. So to be something like this, mm, 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 that is what I would want to do. So we'll wait patiently for it. Wait patiently and see what happens and how it goes. Hope you guys get me. So I think that is it for now. I'll update you guys. I'll keep you guys updated on how far the trade is going. If GU did not take this low, then you all know that that is SMT. Yeah, but I'll update you guys anyways. Hope this video, I don't want these videos to be too long, but let's see how it goes. Let's go.
So what's good, guys? I'm going to buy something. I just came back and I would like to take the trade from here, but price has tapped it, but hopefully price still comes back to tap it again and we'll buy to this high. Yeah, this entry here is a bit too risky for me. That's why I didn't take this trade. But today is Friday, to be honest, and I really don't like risking my money on Friday, especially if I've not made anything for that week, and or maybe Friday is my first trading day for the week. I tend to be very skeptical. If this trade was any other day, let's say on a Tuesday, I'll take this buy. Wednesday, I'll take this buy. Even on Thursday, I'll take this buy. But as it is Friday, I'm a little bit skeptical about it. Do you understand? So I'll just let this trade play out, and if it hits TP, fine. But if it does not hit TP, it's all well and good. So USD did not take this low, but I don't like the way this weekly candle, the way it closed. I say weekly, this 4-hour candle. I don't like the way it closed. So hopefully it does not reverse and come to the downside. But like I said, also this daily candle is so big. It is so big that I'm not expecting it to reverse. Even on a Friday, I'm not expecting it to reverse. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. So as I was saying, I'm not expecting it to reverse. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'll update you. Let's go.
So what's good, guys? The week has finally ended. Yeah, I just I just woke up. So the week has finally ended, and I didn't take any trade this week. No trade at all. That trade that I showed you in the last clip, I did not take the trade because, like I said, it's Friday. It is very hard for price to reverse, and if you go through Friday's candle, you would see that the price did not reverse. It kept dropping. So I gave you guys a nugget in my video, in the video for this week. I gave you guys a nugget. I think that's what I'll be doing. I'll be dropping 50 nuggets every week, and hopefully people can learn from it. So I didn't take that trade on Friday, and we are currently the market has currently closed. So that is all for this week. I don't want this video to be too long because I didn't really trade. I didn't take any trade, so making the video too long is not necessary. So that is all, guys. Hopefully you like this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always keeping in touch with me. Even times that I went away for months, you guys were still keeping in touch. If I post one video after months, people be like, guy, we miss you. I thank you for the love. I really appreciate, guys. I really appreciate. So let's go, guys. Peace.